Hello, my name is Maria Rocío Ramos Cuervo. Oral presentation tax 5 speaking. This is me. I live in Tunja. I am 22 years old. I am single. I am live alone. I study business administration. I like to watch movies. I like read. I like learn new things. Let's start with this activity. Will tell you about my visit in Medellin. First, that nothing, Medellin is a beautiful city. In my last Christmas, I went to Medellin. I started 2 days and went with my boyfriend. I like it because it was cheap. I only paid 500,000 pesos. I like it because there were many places to visit. For example, I went to Botero Park and picture of its sculptures, and I like it a lot. You should visit Botero Park. You can go to Botanic Garden. It is spectacular. Then you go to the ecotourism for Park RB. You cannot miss it. That's super experience. You should also visit the Museo of Antioquia. You can take advantage of its warm climate, but do not forget to apply cycling. You should White Road. It is Central Park. You can also visit the Cathedral of Medellin. It is a beautiful. You could go to eat at Barca's restaurant. Your food is delicious. Before planning a tour is usual advice. Okay. You should investigate the type of water that you in the city you are going to visit. You must think about wearing comfortable clothes that are suited for the city. You could check the best place to visit where you are going to travel. You should not pack vision heavy. Consultate the temperature of the city to which you are going to go. You do not must to plan a trip to place that you don't like. You cannot plan a trip you do not have money. Bye bye.